Hi guys, welcome to another edition of Darkwood Bushcraft. Today we're talking saws. More specifically, we're talking about the Bahco Laplanders. Now, this is one of the favourite saws for bushcrafters. I've had one probably around about 20 years now. But what I've done recently with mine is I've changed the blade, and to be honest, it's made all the difference. So what we've got here is we've got two Bahco Laplanders, mine and my wife's. Both have got brand new blades in them, and by brand new I mean neither blade has done more than a dozen cuts, so they are both absolutely brand new. So what I want to do is a side-by-side comparison. First of all, I'm going to show you the difference between the blades. Now this one is the standard blade that the Laplander comes with. It's a fairly small tooth blade. It's fairly efficient, but it doesn't compare with the likes of the Silkies and things like that. The second blade, this is the 396 JT. Now this blade is designed for a draw cut. This will cut on both the push and the pull. This will cut predominantly on the pull. This is much more similar to the Silky blades. I'll put some close-ups of these up so you can tell the difference, but what we're going to do now is we're going to do a comparison of the two and see how they work. Okay, we're going to start with the blade that comes as standard with the Bahco Laplander. So let's see how that performs to start with. Well, it got the job done, but it was quite hard work, and as you could see, even though it was a new blade with the slick coating on it, it still got stuck a few times in this wood. So let's try the other one and see how we get on. Okay, so now we've got the 396 JT blade. Now, the reason I got this was because I had a standard blade which I've had for nearly 20 years in there. So don't get me wrong, the standard blade is still a great blade, but this is much more similar to the Silky blades. So let's see how this performs. Well, that was considerably easier from my point of view. It cuts on the pull. So you're not going to jam the blade in and bend the blade when you're working, because you push it forward very, very lightly, put all the effort into the pull. And it didn't stick at all. It was a lovely cut. So yeah, very impressed. So if you want to upgrade your Laplander, you don't need to necessarily buy the more expensive Silky saw. Just get yourself a new blade for it.